girl Mila B, and welcome back to another video. So this video is a hair video. I've had my hair straightened for a good 2 weeks. It is done. I cannot salvage it anymore. It is just gross. However, I'm going to do a Bantu knot because my hair is still straight. I'm hoping that my Bantu knots and those type of curls come out looking bouncy, looking fluffy, looking full. So yes, I'm going to show you how to recycle straight hair. So without further ado, let's get into it. The products that I will be using today are my favorite Wakati. I will be using the oil infused cream on top of the reactivating conditioning mist. Now, the reason that I'm using both of these products right here is because as soon as water touches this hair, it's going to curl back up. So I do want it to remain somewhat kind of straight, but wet enough for it to form its own curl. Plus, it's cutting down on the drying process. And because I'm letting these air dry and I'm going to be sleeping in them, I do want them to not be completely saturated in some type of wet or moisture. So, yes, let's get started. I already have this section out in the back. I will brush through it. And I want these kind of big. So I'm going to part this into 2 sections. Of course, when I get more to the front, I'll be able to give you guys a better view. But I'm gonna start by kind of spritzing it. Let me shake my spritz. All right, so we'll do 2.
Looking on my back and you are still the same. I try to figure out why you can tell us.
As you can see on this one, but it's coming loose. So I totally forgot about this hack that I low-key kind of sort of discovered doing this hairstyle. So you know when you guys buy the braiding hair or the kanakalon hair, or really however you pronounce that word, and you guys know the black little scrunchy bands that come on the ends of them so they don't go crazy, these right here. I love putting these on the Bantu knot and just wrapping it around twice or even 3 times depending on how small the Bantu knot is, because it holds it. It's not a lot of tension on your hair. It's not stabbing you in the head like a bobby pin, and it holds it. So that's a little hack. So when you get your hair braided, ladies, next time, save these little thingies. Save them, especially if you do Bantu knots. Just gave you a gem right there. But anywho, this is what the one looks like. As y'all know in all my videos, I will show you guys where I'm at in the front, and yeah. So being that my hair is straight, this is going by so much faster and I'm super excited. So I'm already kind of sort of midway in the front. I don't know how amazing my parts are, but this is what we got rocking in the back. So I will part right here all the way through this section. This is what we have and what we're working with. All the way through. Actually, I don't think that's super even. Or it could be and I just don't know it. Actually, it is even. Okay. Just like that. Put this part of the hair up so it's out the way. And this is going to be 2. So I will part it. Trying to get it somewhat in the middle. Boom. Put this one over out the way to the side. Got my spritz. Got my oil. And I'm just going to, I contort my hands this way because it's really just easier for me to Bantu knot it and to make sure it is the way that I want it to do, or to be, I guess. It's like a task. Now if my hair was wet, y'all, if my hair was wet, oh my gosh, I probably would still be in the back, to be completely honest. especially since how thick my hair is. And just like that, moving on to the other one. Repeat the same process.
I don't even know why we're still on the opposite side. Maybe we're crossing the line. Oh, you were making me cry, and I know you know all the.
And today I will be using a new hair growth oil. It's by Flourish. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Yeah, we're not getting it. So I'm using this hair growth oil by Flourish. I got this in a Wakati grab bag at the Black Hair Experience, and I'm really excited to use it. Smells like hair product. Let me see. Seems a little bit light, which is something that I like. It's not like it's gonna be too heavy. My scalp has been dry, and being that now I'm exposing it, I think now, it's time to just throw some droplets of oil on there. I'm gonna go to bed and wake up, and we're gonna take these down and pray for the best. That's exactly what we're going to do, is pray for the best. So yeah, good night y'all. See you in the morning. Hey guys, it is the next day. I have went ahead and gotten ready. I did my makeup. Today, on this particular day, I am content batching, so the hairstyle, the outfit, everything, it just kind of went together. So today is the day that I'm going to take out my Bantu knots. I slept in them. They did not hurt. I will tell you guys this. Throughout the night, I did turn them the opposite direction just to loosen them up a little bit, because sometimes I do have a habit of twisting my hair too tight. So if you have that same habit, especially if you use this hack that I gave you, just to twist them to make them looser and you'll sleep with ease. So anyways, let me take my hair down. Right now, all I have is my pick, because I oiled my scalp yesterday and we do know my hair was straight. I don't want to put more oil on it to weigh it down and make it super heavy. So I'm just gonna have my pick. I hope these turn out good. Let's get started. I have officially taken all the little bands out. Yes, Bantu knots. I think my hair is gonna turn out really cute. At this point, all I'm doing is going in and I'm separating my hair. That is all I am really doing. Separating and just recurling. And this part right here, you really want to take your time. Really take your time. We have these 3 in the front left, or 4. These 4 in the front left. I'm really liking it. I'm really liking it. I'm excited to pick it out to really see just how voluptuous these curls are. So I just kind of wanted to show you up close and personal what I do to the hair. Right here, I'm just gonna pull chunks and then just retwirl it in little itty bitty chunks in the way that and just let it go.
Something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. Follow you in my fantasy. A place for me, a place to be. Follow you in my fantasy.
really don't think I'm gonna do anything else to it. I really like it being super big. I like the bang action that I have going on. I'm really liking this Bantu knot set. My hair is very bouncy. It looks really good. I think I feel really cute. I look really cute with it, and I like it. So I'm gonna stop right here. Some people might do extra and might do a side part and do the bangs over to the side, or put it half up, half down, or do a faux hawk. Like I said, I'm perfectly content with what it's looking like now. I like how big it is. I'm loving it. I am loving it. I really am. So that is my Bantu knots. If you have straight hair and you're a natural girl, you're not ready yet to just wash it, recycle it, do some Bantu knots, get your curls back in a different way. You know. So yes, with that being said, you guys are to do like, share, comment, do not forget to subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys.